Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into TimeTravelerAI and how to buy the TRAVELAI token during its presale or ICO. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started. First, let's understand what TimeTravelerAI is all about. It's a project centered around an idea, such as AI-powered travel planning or metaverse travel experiences. TimeTravelerAI aims to solve a problem in the travel industry, offering users and investors specific benefits. The project likely leverages technologies like AI and blockchain to achieve its goals. Let's explore the TRAVELAI token. It has a specific utility within the TimeTravelerAI ecosystem, such as offering discounts, governance rights, staking rewards, or access to exclusive features. Understanding the tokenomics is crucial, so we'll cover key details like token supply, distribution, and allocation across the presale team and marketing efforts. Holding TRAVELAI tokens comes with advantages, which we will outline, and we recommend checking out the white paper for an in-depth understanding. For the presale or ICO details. We'll specify the exact start and end dates and times of the presale period. The price of TRAVELAI during the presale will be clearly stated, along with a list of accepted cryptocurrencies, like SOL USDT or ETH. Pay attention to any minimum or maximum purchase amounts. Finally, we'll tell you exactly where the presale is being hosted, whether it's a launchpad or direct link. Get to the step-by-step guide on how to buy TRAVELAI. First, prepare your Solana wallet by choosing a compatible option like Phantom or Solflare. We'll guide you through creating a wallet and backing up your seed phrase. Make sure your wallet has enough SOL for transaction fees. Second, acquire SOL by using reputable crypto exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Then, transfer the SOL to your Solana wallet. Third, access the presale platform using the direct link to the official presale or ICO website, being sure to verify its authenticity to avoid scams. Fourth, connect your Solana wallet to the presale platform, following the authorization process and being mindful of any security warnings. Fifth, purchase TRAVELAI tokens by entering the desired amount of SOL or another accepted crypto, and reviewing the transaction details before confirming, keeping in mind potential gas fees. Sixth, check to see if there's a separate claiming process after the presale ends and follow the instructions on how to claim your TRAVELAI tokens. Let's address security. Be aware of common crypto scams and phishing attempts. Always rely on official sources for information, like the project website and official social media channels. Protect your seed phrase and private keys. And always, do your own research before investing. Remember that this information is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies involves risks. In conclusion, TimeTravelerAI presents potential within the crypto space. We encourage you to participate in the presale if you've done your research. Check out their official social media channels and community forums. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.